Good morning, good afternoon, student 10 student at Vasco Academy. Today I am going to explain you the new chapter about which you have studied previously something no, or you have studied in previous class like 6, 7, 8, 9 also. Mean, median and mode. First of all, you must know what is the meaning of mean. Mean means average. Median means mid value. If observations are given, so which is in the middle, that is known as the median. A mean means average, find the average, that will give the mean. And mode, which is coming frequently, or we can say whose frequency is maximum, is known as mode. So about this topic you have to study mean, median, mode, and from this chapter 24, so many questions means 18 to 19 marks question coming in board examination from this. Right? So first topic is mean. Mean means, as I asked you, median. Now mean means mean means average. Now one question, mean of 40 number is given mean 37.5. Means average of 40 numbers are given 37.5. If one value is taken 53 instead of 35, actually in question it was 30, it must be 35, but because of the mistake they taken 53. Then you have to find what is the correct mean. Do you follow? So simple, all the question you have to find the average. Find the average, that will give the mean. Some question like this one, the mean of 40 numbers. The mean given 40 numbers, how much? 37.5. Sum of the numbers by total number. The total number is 40. This is the way to find the average also. Average is equal to sum of the total number divided by total number. So sum of numbers is 40 into 37.5, that is 1500. Right? What is the value? 1500. Now in this the correct value was 35, but instead of 35 taken 53, reverse. Then we have to find what is the correct value. So correct value will be 1500 taken 53, but actually it should be 35. So what is the difference? How much difference taken? So this value is 1482. Because of the wrong value taken 53, the average sum of the value is coming 1500. Right? But actually when we take 35, then it should be 1480. So what is the mean? Correct mean will be 1480. Sum of the number will be 1480 divided by total number 40. So what is the new mean? It will be 37.005 kg. Right? So this is a simple question from the mean. That means you have to find the average. Now come to different types of questions which you have not studied in previous classes. First this one. This question you have to find the mean by question given 5, 14, 15, 16, 25, 20, 35, 30, 44.5, 20. This is given x and this is given frequency. Now we have to find the mean. 8. So there are 3 methods to find the mean when this type of observations are given. Direct method, shortcut method and step deviation method. Once again, direct method, shortcut method, and step deviation method. If it is mentioned in the question, find the mean by shortcut method, then you have to give the answer only by shortcut method. Don't give the answer by direct method or step deviation method. Otherwise you are not going to you are not going to a single marks also awarded by single marks in the board examination. So if a step is mentioned and you have to find the mean, from that method you have to find the mean. Of course, same question you find the mean by shortcut method, direct method or step deviation method, answer will be same. There is no change in the answer. But what method is mentioned, from that method you have to find the mean. So first question, this one. To find the mean, we write mean is equal to sigma fx by sigma f. This is direct method. What is meaning of sigma? This symbol is known as sigma. Sigma. What do you mean? Sum of. Sigma means sum of all the values. So first of all you have to multiply. Since fx is given, you have to multiply 5 into 14, 15 into 16, 25 into 20, 35 into 30, 44.5 into 20, and after multiplying you have to add all the values. So this meaning 5 into 14 plus 15 into 16 plus 25 into 20 plus 35 into 30 plus 44.5 into 20 by sigma f means sum of all these values. 14 plus 16 plus 20 plus 30 plus 20. So after multiplying, add this value and add the frequency, then divide. The final answer will come 27.50. 8. This is direct method. Now one more. Whenever in the question given, suppose this value is not given. 8. This value you have to find. Suppose it is given A. Whenever in this type of mean one unknown is given, in that case make sure the mean value will be given in the question itself. Do you follow? Mean value will be given in the question itself. Like this one. The mean value is 27.50. Then put this one 5 into 14, 15 into 16, 25 into A plus 35 into 30 plus 44.5 into 20. Add all this value. Divided by 14 plus 16 plus A plus 30 plus 20 is equal to 27.50. Now do the calculation, you will get the value of A. I mean to say, when the question is given unknown one, unknown value given in the question, to find that value, use direct method only. Clear? Once again, when unknown value is given, you have to find the unknown value and mean is given, use direct method to find unknown value. You can find by the other method, shortcut method and step deviation method also, but it will be lengthy. So better you find the unknown value when mean is given by direct method only. 8. Now one more question. Shortcut method. Shortcut method. X given, frequency given 65, 8, 66, 6, 67, 4, 68, 4, 69, 3. You can find this mean by direct method also. 65 into 8 plus 66 into 6 plus 67 into 4 plus 68 into 4 plus 69 into 3 divided by 8 plus 6 plus 4 plus 4 plus 3. Divide it. It will give the mean. In direct method, what you have to do? See, this is observation problem. How many terms are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Odd term. It means there will be one term in the middle. So 67 in the middle. Denote it by capital A. Once again, if number of terms in observation column is odd, then there will be one term in the mid value. So like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 terms are there. So one value in the middle, that is 67. Denote this mid value by A. Clear? Now, you have to find the next D. What is D? Deviations. How to find the deviation? D means A minus X minus A. Deviation for deviation. How to find deviation? This is X. This is X. Subtract the assumed mean from X. So 65 minus 67 minus 2. 66 minus 67 minus 1. 67 minus 67 0. 68 minus 67 1. 69 minus 67 2. D means X minus A. First X is 65, A is 67. 65 minus 67 minus 2 here. 66 minus 67 minus 1. 67 minus 67 0. 68 minus 67 1. Okay? So after that, shortcut method. Shortcut method. What is the formula? A plus sigma FD by sigma F. What? FD. Next you have to find FD. F into D. For this what you have to do? 65 into minus 2, 66, sorry. FD, F is 8, 8 into minus 2, 6 into minus 1, 4 into 0, 4 into 1, and this is 3 into 2. This is FD. Add this value. A is 67. FD minus 16 minus 6 plus 0 plus 4 plus 6 divided by F. 8, 14, 4, 18, 4, 22 plus 3, 25. This value, calculate this value. This will give me, and this is coming 66.52. Right? So I explain you the two method. You do as a homework. You do the practice only two questions. Two question from the direct method. Two question from the shortcut method. Shortcut method. Once again, if number of term is odd, one value will be in the middle. That will be taken A. Then you have to find D, deviation, X minus A. This is X. So how much? 65 minus 67, 66. That you have to write here. 66 minus 67 minus 1, 66 minus 67, 0. Then you have to find FD, means multiply with 8 into minus 2, 6 into minus 1, 4 into 0, 4 into 1, plus 3 into 2. And that put of the formulas A plus sigma FD by sigma F. Write this value, sigma F is 25. This will give the mean. Thank you very much. Tomorrow I will explain some more questions related to this statistics.